Dear students, in the last lecture we have seen multiplication instruction. Today we will start from the division instruction. So division instruction, there is only one operand for the division, that is source. Here the word is divided by byte and double word is divided by word. Okay, so when word is divided by byte, then that word is stored into the AX register, and when double word is divided by word, this double word is stored into the DX and AX register. Okay, we will see the example. Here divide CL. So here we are dividing word by byte, where the byte is in CL register, that is given in the instruction, and this word is in AX register. So here we are dividing AX by CL. Okay, so after division, as we know, there is a remainder and quotient. Okay, so the remainder is stored into the AH register and quotient is stored into the AL register after division. Okay, so here we are dividing AX by CL, quotient is in AL register and remainder is in AH register. Okay, so divide CX means here we are dividing double word by word. Okay, so this double word is in DX and AX register as I have told to you, and word is in CX register. So after division, quotient is in AX register and remainder is in DX register. Okay, so this is the division instruction. This is also having only one operand. Then IDIV instruction, it is similar to division instruction, but the difference is it is used for the sign numbers. Okay, then next is BCD arithmetic. So the 8086 provides the two instructions for BCD arithmetic, and that instructions are DAA, that is decimal adjust accumulator after addition, and DAS, that is decimal adjust accumulator after subtraction. So this follows addition, this follows subtraction. We will see this instruction. First is DAA, decimal adjust accumulator after addition. So this instruction is used to make sure that after adding the two packed BCD number, the result of the two packed BCD number is legal BCD number. Means after addition, the result is automatically adjusted to the BCD number. So in this, after addition, if the value of the lower order 4 bits is greater than 9, then it adds 6 into the lower order 4 bits. If the higher order 4 bits are greater than 9, then it adds 6 to the higher order 4 bits. Okay, so this is how the DA instruction works. So the example given is add AL comma CL DAA. For example, the AL contains 39 BCD and CL contains 12 BCD. So 39 plus 12 is 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 51. Okay, so the answer should be 51, but here after addition the answer is 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. So here this 1 0 1 1 is greater than 9. 9, as we know, 9 is 1 0 0 1. So this 1 0 1 1 is greater than 9. So we have to add 0 1 0, means add 6. 6 means 0 1 1 0 to the 1 0 1 1. Now we will add 0 1 0 0, this is the addition, 1 0 1 1 plus 6. 6 is 0 0 0 1 1 0. So it is 0, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 0 1 0. So what is this? 5, and this is 1. 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 0 1. So this is 1. So this is 51. As I told you, 39 plus 12 is 51. So how this number is adjusted to the 51? Because the lower order 4 bit is greater than 9, so we add 6 into the lower order 4 bits. Next is DAS instruction. It is similar to DAA, but only the difference is it follows the subtraction, and if the lower order 4 bits in the AL is greater than 9, then it subtracts 6. In DAA we are adding 6, here we are subtracting 6 from the lower order 4 bits. If the higher order 4 bits is greater than the 9, then we are subtracting 6 from the higher order 4 bits. Okay, and this decimal adjust after subtraction follows the subtraction instruction. Then logical group of instructions. We will see this in the next lecture.